Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren and I would love for you to subscribe. My next video actually is a 5,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm having, and spoiler alert, yeah, you're going to be getting something here, but you're also going to be getting really cool things from something from Aritzia, something from Vite Beauty, something from Hum Nutrition. So there's, I think, 5 different things that I've included in the giveaway, so I'm really excited for that. So that should be coming out, I think, this week. I have filmed it, but I did want to get this one out here so I could sort of show you, give you a little bit of a spoiler. So I have 2 unboxings. Like I said, one thing is for you and one thing is for me, and I'm so excited about this because it's been sold out for quite some time. I've been on the hunt for this, so I'm really excited to show you what I got. So I'm going to start with the item that I bought for myself. I bought this online last week, and it took about a week to get to me. It had some clearance issues, but it got to me. So I'm really excited. If you watched one of my videos from, I think it was in May, it was a few months ago, then you know I got the coin card holder from Louis Vuitton in that slime green, kind of bright neon yellow color. And I loved it, but there were just some deficiencies and the quality wasn't there. And I feel like if you're paying money for a luxury item, regardless of how much it costs, it should be in like pristine, perfect condition, right? That's what you're expecting. You're expecting it to be perfect because it's new. So I had to return that one, and then I was on the hunt, and I really like the cobalt. The black's always in stock, and like the other colors are always in stock, but I was just in the hunt for a small little wallet. So let me show you what I got. Dun, 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 dun. I picked it up in the cobalt color. It's so nice. I love this. I did take a little sneak peek already. I had to, like when it first came in. I've had it now for, I think, like 4 days, and I haven't used it yet. But this has been sold out online every single time I checked, along with the yellow. And so when it came in stock and I saw the whole placing cart, I definitely like just acted on impulse and bought it right away. But I'm so happy that I did. It's really hard to find this in the yellow, but like I said, there's quite a few other sort of colors that you can get with it, but I just love this. And while I really liked the lime kind of green or neon yellow color, I just wasn't sure how it would hold up over time because it's such a light color, and I'm not the most delicate with my SLGs. I kind of just throw them around. I wasn't sure if it'd show like some markings really quickly, so I thought that this would be the perfect one because it's still kind of like a brighter kind of color, but I feel like the quality of this one will just like last longer. So there you go, you can see it. The dimensions here really quickly, it's 5.5 across inches, and then 3 inches in height, and then this is like 0.3 inches what it opens up to be. So it's gorgeous. It has 3 card slots here, then another one there, then this part in the back. If you looked at my other video, then you know that cash doesn't fit in here, which is the only part that I don't really like because I wish it did. But I'll have to fold it, and then it opens up like this, and then there's just all the, I'll hold this here so you can kind of see it. Actually, I'll just include some screenshots so you can see it. So that's just the paperwork that came with it. And then it also came just with, you know, the usual paperwork it always comes with. But I'm so excited for this. So I am going to show you really quickly, I'm going to throw some cards in there so you can see sort of what fits in. But my wallet right now that I'm using the one that my husband got me for my birthday last year, which is the Gucci one, and it's a really soft leather, and I've just noticed some wear and tear on it, and so I thought I needed something a little bit hardier, just because, like I said, I'm not really super careful with my SLGs, so this is it right here. And so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's some wear on the corner there, unfortunately, because it is such a like a smooth, soft leather. So I'm definitely excited for this. So I've put 3 cards in, And then I also have another 3 cards in this bottom part here. So you can see there's 6 cards just right there. And then the reason why I like this is because this opens up pretty far, so you can put change in there. I rarely carry change. I use my clay to carry change, but if you if you don't want to have a separate little coin holder, this is awesome. So you can pop your coins in there, and then you can put some bills in the back. You can fold it, or you can put receipts, or you can also put your, let me dump this change out. Or you can also fold your bills and you can slide it in here. I didn't actually check the date code on this to see where it's made. It says made in Italy. I don't think I have anything that's made in Italy yet, so that's cool. And then I don't know where the date code is. Okay, so I found the date code. It's like, it's hiding in the corner over there, but it was made in the 40th week of 2019. So that is it. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for the silver hardware because all my other SLGs and my handbags, they're all the sort of gold hardware, and over time it tends to show wear, and I don't really like that. So I'm really excited for this actual silver hardware, so it'll always remain kind of the same, you know, albeit a few couple scratches here and there. But this is so awesome. I'm so excited to use this. This is a little bit sort of like stiff and tight right now, but I know I'll loosen up with wear and just using it. Now, I did want to show you this because this is my husband's wallet. This is the Saint Laurent Fragment wallet. It's actually in a dark, dark navy blue. I don't know if you're sort of going to get the color. It almost looks like it's showing up black, but it's very similar to this one. You can see that the Louis Vuitton one is like a little bit longer. So you can see it's longer on this side here. I think height-wise as well, it's a little bit taller and a little bit longer. But the reason why I like this one so much more is because this is like a very sort of tight opening. It's hard to sort of get things in there. But because the Louis Vuitton one kind of has this gusset here, it opens up a lot easier, so you can sort of get your hands in there and get your change or your money or things out easier without sort of scratching your hands. This was originally my wallet, and I gave it to him because I just didn't like how sort of closed off this was. Price-wise, they're about the same price, so if you're looking for an I guess an option to this one, if you can't seem to find it, you can always find this Saint Laurent one. This one's, I feel like, always in stock. So those are the two side by side. Oh, this one also doesn't have the pocket on the back, but it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots on the front, where this has 3, and then this additional one. So these two, I would say, are fairly comparable. This one's just a little bit bigger, so I think it will suit my needs a little bit better, whereas this one is good for him because it sort of just fits in his pocket really easily. So I'm so excited to have this in my collection. I forgot to say, this is from the Tigerama collection. It's from the men's line, and I really wish that they made this in just a plain monogram for women. They came out with a card holder for women that's kind of similar to this, but it's still, I don't feel like it's as efficient and as nice as this one. I'll link it somewhere, I'll show you on the screen, but I'm really, really happy with this. If you are looking for it, the yellow is essentially sold out. It's going to be really hard for you to find it unless you buy it on eBay or StockX or something like that. But I feel like this color, like I said, it popped up online, and you can find it in stores sometimes. So if you want this one, definitely contact your SA. I just think for my lifestyle, while I love the neon, I think that this is just going to work for my lifestyle a lot better because I still get that pop of color, but I just think it will last longer, like the canvas part of it. Oh, I should also say that this part is leather, and that's the canvas. So that's the Tiger leather, and then the other part is the canvas. And so the issue with the first one is the stitching was really poorly done. I did look over all the stitching on this one, and it is perfect. So I can't wait to start using this. And now let me show you what I got you for the giveaway. So spoiler, like I said, make sure that you watch, you subscribe to my channel. That way you can enter the giveaway, and I'll be posting that video this week. So this is for you. I actually went in store and I purchased this one just because I wanted to take a look at it first and just make sure it was okay. And so, I bought you, you can tell, you might be able to tell what it is from here. It's the Pochette Clay, which was my first piece from Louis Vuitton, but I got it in the Damier Ebene. This is from the men's line. This is in the Damier Graphite, or Damier Graphite. I don't know how to pronounce it. Someone help me. But this is it here, and again, it has the silver hardware, and I just like the fact that it has the silver hardware. Let me actually go and get my Pochette Clay so I can show you the difference between this two, because this is also the newer model one. Okay, I'll be back in a second. All right, so this is my original Pochette Clay, and I've had this now for, I think, probably 4 years. So you can see this one's also, I feel like this one's unisex. Actually, all of them might be. Like the monogram's also very unisex. Maybe the Damier Azure, the white one, might be a little bit like a little bit more feminine, but I mean, males can use that too. It really doesn't matter. But so this is it. You can see mine has been through the ringer. I have used it since I got it daily for the last 4 years. So you can see that the gold has rubbed off on different parts, as well as on this little part here. It's actually not focusing, it's focusing on me. The gold has rubbed off on certain areas here as well. So I mean, it's still fully functional and it's still awesome. I know that you can replace this as well, my essay said, so that's something I could always do. But this one, I feel like you can see, so this is the newer model. Some people are saying it's a little bit bigger. It might be like a little bit puffier or something like that. To me, it kind of looks the same, but I want to get you this one because I like the fact that it has the silver hardware, hence why I also love this one so much, because of the silver hardware. I feel like it just won't show a lot of wear and tear, and I also just love the black. Like, I want this for myself. I think I'll need to buy this for myself eventually, because the black is just so sleek looking. It just looks so nice. So someone is going to be getting this as part of their giveaway. I don't know where this one is made. I should also look at this one and see the date code. I might just have to take a peek and then insert it somewhere, but it'd be cool if it were made in France. I really don't know though. So there you go. Someone's going to be getting this lucky little Pochette Clay, and you can use it as a mini wallet. You can use it to put coins in. You can use it to put your key onto. You can use it for your, I don't know, small little phone accessories. So like your earbuds, your earphones, whatever. This can hold just a multitude of things. It's just a great piece. This is honestly such a great piece. So I'm really excited for this. Yeah, so those are the two items that I got from Louis Vuitton. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And a thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Honestly, I've met so many amazing people, and that's what I love most about YouTube. It's the connections that you make with people and chatting with people and just meeting people. It's so cool. So any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video.